Bounce, Theo. Doing, doing, doing.
Theo. Theo, I need a picture. Wait for Daddy.
Can you slide down it? Do a roly-poly down it. Go, go, go. That's a leopard crawl. Yay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Doink.
Ellen. Okay, you're alright. Sorry. Right. Ellen, look at Mummy.
Bye, Theo. I'll see you later.
Ellen, look at Mummy. Smile.
Where are you going? Oh, where are you going? You're going to go... Bye. Bye. Bye, Theo. Yeah, on the tractor.
Oh, is that what they're for?
Cheers. Where are you going to sit? Do you want to sit at the front or the back? Go, go, go.
You sit here.
How are you?
Good? What do you think you're going to see? See some piggies?
Piggy.
Yeah. You just lock the door. What's that then? That looks quite cool, isn't it? That's a mini tractor, that one.
Make sure you remain seated at all times. Unless I stop and you want to slide from side to side to have a look at the animals. Okay? Don't put your hands out the windows.
Listen.
In case the animals might want to have something to eat. I don't think of dinners though. Okay? Okay, please don't throw anything out in the carriage. You locked in?
You listening?
Did you get all that?
Yeah, thank you.
A really big father.
So we want to go really fast.
I'm going really fast.
Tell him. You want to go really fast.
I'm going really fast.
If I go really fast in this, these will tip over today.
Yeah, they will. Be sliding, won't they?
I'll see what I can do on the way back, yeah? You got to pay me though.
Give him 5.
Alright.
I don't
It's alright. So excited.
so excited.
So excited.
So big and big excited. Man, he's in the coach.
It's in the tractor.
Yeah.
Found them. Woo! Brum brum. Ready? Let's go. There are some big piggies, aren't they?
That's the daddy pigs, everyone. I'll show you the bird babies in a minute.
That's the daddy piggies. Llamas.
What do you think? Is that good?
Oh, flaming hell. Hang on, I'll move you forward a bit. I don't suppose you want to get out in that.
Cheers. Oh yeah.
Is that fast enough for you?
Good. Say thank you. Yes.
Hang on, folks, I'll move it forward for you.
That's all right.
That's all right.
Theo, what's the man doing?
Thea. Daddy's asking.
What's the man doing?
He's man.
He's gonna fight? Oh. Shall we watch them then?
Are you ready?
They're going to go proper fight now, look.
Are you fighting or just tapping?
They're fighting. He dropped it. He's got him. The blue one wants him. Yeah, pretend dive. Go back.
Fighting?
Yeah.
What were they doing? And the
And
man.
no one come over here and say, boo, boo, boo. And the fight he's gonna,
Sword.
he thought and say, fight, fight, like that.
Yeah.
Nice. And did the blue one win or the red one win?
Yeah.
Which
Yeah,
one
the
won?
blue one wins.
Won.
Wow, done.
Right, Theo, what would you like? Kids meal, chicken. Theo, what have you got for your lunchy?
So, Mummy, what's this?
Burger, yummy.
I got it.
Looks good.
Or do you just do this? Whoa!
It's on his head.
Let's go see. This way then.
Oh,
I love it. Bunny rabbits.
Bunny
Look how fluffy they are.
rabbits.
Oh, what's he eating?
This is Lola.
Careful, Theo.
Bunny rabbit Lola. I think she's asleep.
She's huge. Stop them.
Theo,
Nicely done.
come on in. What's in there? Nothing in there. No, nothing in there.
I think there's nothing in there today. This baby, Theo.
He's a noisy cockerel.
Yes, can see.
Here's the cockerel. He's noisy, isn't he?
Yeah.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Like that.
Might nibble you. Nicely. Nicely. Might nibble you. He might nibble you.
I would nibble you.
Your friends are here. Your friends are here. Here they are. Your friends, quick. Here's your friends.
You can jump in and have a picture if you want to, guys.
Theo, go and have a... Come here, little girl, have a photo. Theo. Theo, come here first.
I don't want a photo bomber.
Yeah.
Nice. The little one, guys. That's it. And here, look. Do you know what? That's it. And this one, high five. And this one on the end, high five. And then you're going to stand here.
Look at mummy, daddy.
Look this way, buddy.
Why do they like
Wave. Wave, Theo. Wave.
Thanks. Come on out.
Come on in.
Lovely. Say bye.
Thank you.
Oh.
Put your handies on.
You can see them. They're in the garden. Come here.
Wash your handies first, Theo.
I see them.
You can see them, yeah. Wait then. You can see best friends when we done it. Put your other hand under, please. Other hand. We'll rub them together.
Sit, good boy. Now wash your hands. Push the button. Wash them together. Good. Right, now dry them.
So hot.
Go and dry them now. Mummy's got some
That's
towels.
enough. Come on, you're going to miss your friend, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm going with my
You're
friend.
going to miss your friend.
You go and ask Holly.
With your arms like this, go round and round. Are you going to pedal it? Oh, you're very brave today.
Sit.
Stand that way.
And you pedal with your handies.
You're going in, mate. Ready? I've got it all done for me. You've got to stay sat down, good boy, that's it. Okay, good boy. Well done.
Sit.
Go. Other way. Okay, go back. No, keep steering. Go.
You're having so much fun.
Go.
Woo. Bye, Theo. Keep going. Doing spins. Woohoo! He's doing donuts. He's doing one forward, one backwards. Theo, spin them both the same way. Why are you doing one back, one forward? That's it. You're gonna crash. Spin the other way. Ah! Sit. Keep spinning. Come to daddy. Keep spinning. Whoa! 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 Spin them both the same way, otherwise you're just going to keep spinning. Go both the same way. Both forward. Forward. That one forward. That's it. Hooray! You're gonna crash. Ooh! Spin them both backwards. That's it. Bye. Bye. Careful, Theo. Stop. Good boy. I think he's done. Good job. Oh.
You did do
Did.
a crash, yeah. Come on then. High five. Well done.
Thank you.
Last one. This decides whether I defend my family. Whether they live dead.
Oh!
They're dead. Yeah, I hit him twice. You haven't made. Fine. Ethan, watch your dad quick first, yeah? Let's watch your dad. So he's defending your family, Ethan, okay? If he misses, we're done for.
Ethan, how do you spell your name? Eater Anna.
Eater Anna.
Oh, so thank you.
Oh, look. I got him so close to his head. He was so close to his head.
Kick it again. Aha.
In the goal. Good time at the park? Did you have a good time? What was your favourite bit?
Was it the boats or was it the bears?
What's
Was
your
it the
favourite?
animals? The bears. You like the bears?
And what ride did you like? Did you like the tractor ride?
Yeah.
Did you like the train ride?
Yeah.
Let him talk. Anything else? And the bears.